Good morning, boys and girls. It's Mr. Rodriguez. Yes, I'm here. Yay! So I put this laptop this way so that you can see on my easel what I'm going to do for math. Today we're going to be solving math word problems that have to do with addition or adding. Okay? I gave you some copies of these. These are not the same, so don't take them out. Just listen to the video, and when we do Google Meets, you can take them out. All right? So this one says cloudy day. This is something that maybe you will be able to read it, or maybe you will need some help from mommy or daddy to read it to you. Okay? So I'm going to read this one. It says, read and solve the word problem to find out how many clouds in all. So here's the problem right here in these big letters. I see 4 clouds. I see 5 more clouds. How many clouds are there in all? The question tells you what you're going to do. The question says, how many clouds are in all? All. All means together. So I need to draw a picture. This rectangle here says my picture. So I'm going to draw 4 clouds because the first part of the problem says I see 4 clouds. So I have 4 clouds. But the second sentence says I see 5 more clouds. So I have to draw 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the question to solve is how many clouds are in all? The next one will help me if I don't know what to do here. This is called a number line. A number line always starts with 0 and then it goes growing to the right. Now, it doesn't ever stop. That's why you see the arrows here, because it's called infinitive. Let's go back to the word problem. It says, I see 4 clouds. So, I'm going to look for number 4. This is a 0, 1, 2, 3. Oh, this is the 4. So that 4 is where I'm going to start. Where do I start? I start here on this line on the number line. This line where the 4 is right above. And I'm going to move to see 5 more. So this is how you move. You do like a jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I circle the answer. The answer is what? 9. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So if I have 9 in my drawing and the 9 is my answer, I'm really good at answering my math word problem. Now I have to make my equation. What's my equation? The first number was 4. So down and across, down once more. That's the way to make a 4. Plus the 5. Short neck, belly fat. Number 5 wears a hat. What's my answer? First a ball, then a line. That's the way to make a 9. Now at the end, the last rectangle, I say my answer. My answer is 9 clouds. So I have to put a 9 here. This is how you solve a math word problem. This is how you solve a math word problem. This is why I was telling you to keep drawing in your journal and keep learning your numbers, because now that we're adding, this gets a little bit complicated if you don't get it together when it comes to adding. And my last one here for today until we go to Google Meets is brave knights. You know, the knights of shining armor? This is the one. It says, read and solve the word problem to find out how many nights in all. Tom, it has a name of a person. Tom has 4 nights. I have 2 nights. How many nights are in all? What am I supposed to do here? How many nights are there in all? All means what? Add. So, let's start with Tom. Tom has 4 nights. I don't know how to draw a night, but I'm going to draw tally marks, which is what I know. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it says I have 2 nights. So I'm going to draw 2 more over here. 1, 2. Okay? Now that I drew my picture, let's go to the number line. Again, we start on the 0, but this number says 4, so I need to find 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to start on number 4. I'm going to mark it because this is where I'm going to start jumping to the right. So, 2, I have 2 nights, so I have to jump 2. 1, 2. So what is my answer? I circle it. It's what? It's a 6. So now I'm going to write my equation. My equation says Tom has 4 nights. So 4 goes first. Down and across and down once more. That's the way to make a 4. And then I have 2 nights. Around and down and out you go. That's the way to make a 2. 4 plus 2 equals the number that we circled. 6. So around and a circle you go. That's a 6, just as you know. And my answer to how many nights, because now I have to answer the question, how many nights, is this number, 6. All right? And that's what we're going to be doing at Google Meets with your worksheet that I left you in your mailbox. They're all in your mailbox, so make sure that you all have it. I hope to see you soon. Have a great day. Bye.